Taiwan Semiconductor manufacturing company announced Wednesday that an employee had tested positive for the coronavirus. 30 of this employee's close contacts are now undergoing 14 days of home isolation. A TSMC spokeswoman emphasized that the development would not affect company operations. The company said it had ramped up disinfection and other measures to lower the risk of contagion.
TSMC reports that an employee had been diagnosed with COVID-19. This was an employee at Southern Taiwan Science Park. But at TSMC's Hsinchu headquarters, disease controls have gone up.
All of us are mentally prepared. At the cafeterias, we're already starting to eat at a distance.
TSMC sent out a notice saying the worker was getting care at a hospital. Investigations showed that 30 people had been in close contact with the employee. TSMC has asked them to complete 14 days of home isolation. It's also expanded its disinfection of office areas.
This was not a production line employee. TSMC has placed this employee's 30 close contacts in home isolation. Besides carrying out our routine disinfection work, we've expanded disinfection in office spaces. We have also decided to start operating in segregated groups. This matter will not affect the company's operations.
Although TSMC reacted quickly, panic took hold of the markets. TSMC's American depositary receipts plunged by more than 8.5%, shedding $4 to close at $44.37 per share. Trading ex-dividend, TSMC stock plunged Thursday to finish at 248 NT after losing 9.5 NT.
TSMC's 7-nanometer production is still at full capacity, and we'll start to see the 5-nanometer process factor in this year. The drop in share price is already significant. The yield is about 4%. Speaking from a long-term perspective, we are at a reasonable entry point for long-term investors.
Global markets have been upended since the coronavirus outbreak began. But even with shares touching low after low, some investors see an opportunity that could pay off long-term.